Good morning, welcome back to my subscribers and my followers. What I've done on my 4 days off from work, I've cleaned them all out. This is my cockbirds in their individual cages. As you can see, I'll step back. I'm going to put them into pairs and write them down in my book of what colours with what. Which wing. As you can see, there's a red cock in there. Go along to the next cage. We've got a pink cock in there. Some lovely birds. As you can hear, they're all starting to sing. I'll get that on film there now. That's him in there. As you can see, as I go along the cages, there's a nice cockbird in there, a nice yellow ring bird. I'll just try and zoom in just a little bit. Finish that mould. I'm going to put the hens in there today, and what I'm going to do is, when I've sorted out my pairs, take the dividers back out and just put the cockbirds together and the hen birds together. Go along here now. There's one in that cage, which I explained in my video that I made. Just put 2 perches in there. There's a cracker, nice yellow one. Go down here, that's another red one. Go along here, there's a yellow one. Step back, there's a one with a blue ring. Cracking bird, one that's there, nice yellow mosaic. We'll come along here now, another cage, there's one with a purple ring. I'll step back again, there's one there at the bottom, that's another purple ring bird, cockbird. As we go along the shed again, in here I've got another red ring. Finish the mould. Go along here, I've got a yellow ring, and then the bottom there, there's a nice bird. That was the one that was singing. There's a black ring there. Go along the gable end of my shed. These are my red mosaics. There's an orange, there's a green, there's an orange ring, and here I've got a black ring. There's my red mosaics, there's a nice orange ring, just give them a nice mite water, just give them a break now off the red egg food, a little bit of the red water as well. There's just something about him. There's another cockbird, and I'll show you my hen shortly. Good potential for next year. But I'm just going to put them into pairs to see how many pairs I've actually got for the next year. So go back if I can grab him singing there. That's him singing there, nice red. Nice, fit and healthy bird. I'll come down here. I've got a selection of hens in there, maybe 2 cocks. There's a cock there. And if we come down to the bottom, I've got a cock on the bottom of there, and a cock there, coming out the mould. And on the bottom, as you can see, I've got the red hens. These are my red hens in here. So obviously I've got 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 hens in there. I think I can maybe make about 8 pairs. So I've just got to pull those out and put them with the pairs and write the colour rings down. When I can put this next year, then what I'm going to do is just put them back into the plates until I'm ready to put them together. It's just to keep you updated and posted to my followers. Oh yeah, him up there, he's a good singer. If you like what you've seen, just smash that like button. Give us a like. But aye, as I was explaining in the other video, if you looked at one of my videos with the red, with the black on the side of its face, as you can see that's that one there. A little bit of a black tick on the left side of its head. These turned out good. I like them. I'm impressed with them. And I'm impressed with this one as well here. But the parents were a red mosaic cock and a red mosaic hen. And he's turned out like that. I'm gonna have to. And he goes through the mold and then see what he comes in like. Again, as you can see, they're my birds for this year. As you can see down here on this flight here, they're nearly through the mold. These ones, they were the last of the clutches. As you can see, stunning birds here. Just thank you once again, and I'll keep you posted. Smash that like button and share. Thank you and good morning.